So good morning, each one of you. In today's class, children, we will be starting a new chapter, chapter 11, transportation in plants and in animals. So I want each one of you, first of all, kindly write the aim of this chapter and write the date. Aim of the chapter is to study how transportation of substances, how transportation of substances takes place in plants and animals. Second, you can write down to study or to know about the circulatory system, to know the structure of heart, excretory system of our body. So children, as the name is showing, transportation in plants and animals. Transportation means how the different minerals, water, and the food, digested food is transported in our body. So we are going to study about the circulatory system, about the heart, about the excretory system, about veins, pulse rate, etc. All that things we are going to study in this chapter. How the blood flows, what does blood contain? So all that things we are going to read in this chapter. But before starting this chapter, let's do few of the misunderstood words of this chapter. So Anya, from your book, tell me what is the first misunderstood word.
Okay, ma'am. Ammonia, a nitrogenous waste in the body.
Okay, so what's the nitrogenous waste? Tell me the meaning of it.
Ma'am means it is a nitrogenic waste in our body.
Okay, second word is Tanvi.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, second word is artery. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood cells from the heart to all the parts of the body.
Yes, oxygen. Artery word is there. A blood vessel which carry oxygen rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body. So this is your number 2 word. Next is Nischay. Tell me the another word.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the next one?
Ma'am, the third word is blood. Uh, so blood is the fluid which flows in the blood vessels.
Okay,
It
blood.
transports.
Yes, it transport. Tell
It
complete.
transports. It transports substances like digested food from the small intestine to the other parts of the body.
Nischay, tell the page number even.
Ma'am, page number 121.
Okay, children, you can mark the definition of blood. Yes, next word, Kavya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, next word is blood vessels. Blood vessels are long channels which carry blood from one part of the body to the other part.
Okay, so but tell the page number where you have read. Tell the page number. Blood vessels are the long channels which carry blood from one part to the another part. Okay. Vansh Sharma. Next word will be given by Abhigyan and then by Zikra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Capillaries. They divide further into extremely thin tubes called capillaries. The capillary join to form veins which empty into the heart.
Better tell the page number even.
Ma'am, the page number is 123.
Okay, so children, you can write down the definition of capillaries. Even I have shared the definition of capillaries. These are very thin strands that forms a network between the arteries and veins. Okay. Next word by Abhigyan. Abhigyan, unmute and give the next word. Tell the next word at least. Speak out the word. Zikra, you can tell.
Ma'am, the circulatory system
Okay.
is an organ system that permits blood to circulate, transport nutrition.
Okay. So tell the page number even better.
Ma'am, I have find these definitions.
Okay. Circulatory system, already the definitions I had shared. Various organs and tissues involved in circulating blood and lymph throughout the body. That system is known as a circulatory system. Means in this system, various organs and tissues are there, and this is involved with the circulation of blood. Yes, Sejal. Next word. And after that, Vedika. Sejal, tell the next word. Sejal, speak out the next word. Yes, Vedika, you tell. After that,
Ma'am,
Parth then.
excretion.
Yes,
Ma'am, excretion, right?
yes.
Removal of waste products from the body is called excretion.
Okay, removal of the waste product from the body is known as excretion. Tell the page number better.
Ma'am, it's on 130. What you have learned.
Page number 130, what you have learned. So, yes, Abhigyan. Next word is
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, excretory system, no?
yes, tell.
Yes, ma'am. The parts involved in excretion form is called excretory system.
Okay. The parts which involved in the function of excretion that are known as excretory system. Okay, Praveen. Next word will be given by Praveen. After that, Divyanshu Pratap. Praveen, speak out the next word. Praveen, unmute. Speak out the next word. Or Divyanshu. Divyanshu Pratap Singh. Tanvi, Mahi, Mukul, Divanshi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, speak out the next word, beta. What is the next word? Ayan.
Yes,
Children, switch
ma'am.
on your cameras. Lavish. What is the
Ma'am,
next
next
word?
word. Ma'am, next word is heartbeat.
Yes. Okay. So what is the meaning of it?
Ma'am, we have left one word.
Yes, speak out.
Ma'am, we have left one word.
Yes.
The walls of the chambers of the heart are made up of muscles. These muscles contract and relax rhythmically. This rhythm contraction followed by its relaxation constitute a heartbeat.
Yes, a rhythmic, already we have done, a rhythmic contraction and expansion of heart muscles is called heartbeat. You know, the heart beats, there is a rhythmic contraction and expansion that is known as heartbeat. Okay, next word is Tanvi.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, next word is kidneys. Kidneys are magic filters. They are said to be magic filters because they filter
Tanvi, voice
only
is very low,
unwanted
kindly speak
substances.
loudly. Yes.
Ma'am, next word is kidneys.
Okay.
Kidneys are
Yes, say unmute and speak.
Ma'am, next word is kidneys. Kidneys are the magic filters. They are said to be this because they only filter unwanted substances from the blood.
Okay, kidneys filter the unwanted substances. So kindly mark it.
Ma'am, can I
Lavish,
tell now?
wait, Lavish. Next word. Lavish, unmute. Lavish Garg, not able to hear.
Ma'am. Yeah.
Yes.
Mukul Jain, Divyanshu Pratap, kindly speak out the next words.
Ma'am.
Raman Jain, Parth Jain.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, next word is pollen.
Next word is
Pollen is the tissue in plant which
पहले बेटा word
transport
तो
the.
बोलो, speak out the word.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak out the word. What is the first next word?
Pollen. Plum.
Give the meaning of it. Phloem is a muscular
Phloem
tissue in the plants which transport the food
produced
from leaves
from
to all
leaves
parts of the body. Whatever the food is prepared, that is transported by the phloem, which is a vascular tissue. Next, continue. Mukul Jain.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wait, beta. Unmute, Mukul. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. Ma'am, may I tell?
Mukul Jain, first speak out the word.
Ma'am, next word is plasma.
Yes. Okay, tell me the next word. Yes, Anya.
Can I tell? Ma'am? Okay, ma'am. Next word is the fluid part of the blood is called the plasma. Plasma, fluid part of blood.
Plasma is known as the fluid part. Fluid part of blood is known as plasma. Next is Divyanshu Pratap Singh. Will you give any of the word? Okay, Nishchay Jain. After that, Praveen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, platelets. When we get injured and the blood comes out of the cut, after some time we see that there is a clot formed because there is a presence of small type of cells present in the blood called platelets.
Okay, beta. So simply you can say platelets are a disc-shaped cells which are present in blood and helps to clot. They helps in clotting the wound whenever there is a cut or wound is there. Okay. Next word. Yes. Abhigyan or Ayan, Praveen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give the next word.
Plates.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I give stethoscope?
Okay, tell.
An instrument used to feel the heartbeat is called stethoscope.
Stethoscope is an instrument used by the physician to feel the action of heartbeat. So that is known as stethoscope. Stethoscope. Kindly underline it. Next word is yes, Vansh Sharma. After that, there may be some words, sweat, tissues. Yes, Lavish.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, next word is sweat. It is the moisture exuded through the pores of the skin.
Okay. So children, these are the words A few more words I had added, root here, sweat, tissues, urea. So these all are the misunderstood words. Yes, Vansh Sharma, tell.
Yes, ma'am. Next word is tissue. A tissue is a group of cells that perform specialized function in an organism.
Okay.
It is on page number 129.
Yes, group of cells. So already he has given the page number. Tissue is a group of cells which perform a specialized function. And one more definition of urea I had already given. A nitrogen containing colorless and crystalline compound produced in the body of mammals as a breakdown of protein is known as urea, and it is excreted from the body through the urine. So children, these are the misunderstood words of the chapter number 11, and from tomorrow we will be starting the chapter number 11. And I hope each one of you to kindly start this chapter in the notebook, and all the misunderstood words are clear to you. So do these terms in the notebook.